I heard the music. Y'all know what time it is. Good morning. It's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. This morning's video, of course, is Candle News Network. And if you're not subscribed to the channel right now is the time to subscribe. Make sure your notification bell is on. That way you are alerted every time I upload of in this thing. So we're going to be talking about some new like Where's Waldo Easter plus a lot more. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's first start off with some sales stuff is still online. These candles right now are going for $12.25. So chestnut and clove, they got spiced gingerbread, they got island margarita. I think the island margarita, you got to say it like that, island margarita. The island margarita is worth getting for the $12 and some change. So that's a really good discount price. Also, body care is discounted. Some of the 75% off stuff still there. I mean, you have to type it in. Like the watermelon lemonade, of course, is the one I'm talking about. It's on the site, but you have to type it in, and you have to search for the ones that you want by typing them in. Like another one that I was able to find is the coconut lime breeze as well for the $3 and some change. So don't run from me, friend. Don't run from me, discounts. I know how to find you. So they have still some discount things online from the SAS. You just have to know how to search for them. That way, if you were looking to get your best deal and get the lowest prices, you can. Now, we're going to take a moment here, and I'm going to introduce the Adopt a Raccoon program, okay? If I had the music and all that music for adopting, I would. But this raccoon here, he needs your help, guys. He's lovable. He's cute. He's even got a few flowers for you. It doesn't cost much to feed him. Doesn't cost much to care. But you can adopt your raccoon friend today for under $10. For under $10, you can adopt this raccoon. This raccoon is looking at you. He's saying, please help. Will you help? Will you help? I'm just playing, y'all. But yeah, Adopt a Raccoon program is available on the site. You can go ahead and get a raccoon for under $10. Also, we have the new milkshake is online. So the milkshake bringing all the boys to the yard online if you want to go ahead and pick up that pocket back holder. Also, finally, sugar watermelon has made its way online. When I tell you it's the truth, y'all already finished one and it's going in this empties. Yeah, it's going in empties already for this month. Sugar watermelon is the sugar honey iced tea. Okay, you need it. It's super sweet. It's super sweet. And it's just one of those scents you need. Finally, the Hibiscus Paradise Scrub is online. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I did a little order today because there was a lot of new that I was interested in. So I went ahead and placed me a little order because the Hibiscus Paradise, I told y'all in my review, if you missed the review, go check it out. This scrub is amazing. This scrub's put me in the paradise mood. I love this scrub, and it's the truth. All right. Now you can was shaken and treat yourself to these new soaps because they're now online. You can check them out. Y'all know I already purchased them. My favorite from these two were the cookies and cream milkshake. It smelled just like a cookies and cream milkshake. It smelled edible. But the treat yourself, the blueberry glazed donut, was the blueberry pie candle in a soap form. So if you like that, you can pick that up too. This is just one of the new holders they have, the vine candle holder. I don't know how I feel about the black candle holders, especially getting into spring. When I think spring, I think pastels and fun, bright colors. But, to each its own. Now, Life Inside the Page Daily Finds. I absolutely love her. She shared this. Okay, this is the Tutti Frutti Jelly Beans. This is the new one that's coming out for this year. Y'all remember last year we had this very pretty, bunny. This bunny was so cute. And we're like, oh, he's so cute. Let's just pick it up for the packaging. He's just everything. Even though this candle smells just like champagne toast. We picked it up because we're like, oh my God, the bunny's so cute. And then this year we get Where's Waldo? Because she told me it's Where's Waldo version in the Easter bunny form, in the Easter form. And I'm just not here for it. I just don't think this is cute at all. I know some people might think, oh my God, this is so cute. But to me, I'm like, this is ugly. This is ugly. This is ugly. Like, I won't be buying it. I don't think the scent is unique anyway, but I won't be buying it because the bunny is just not interesting to me. The bunny is just not cute. But let's go ahead and get into some pink petal tea cake. So Richie asked Bath and Body Works about pink petal tea cake, and of course they gave him some generic answers, telling him to let the team know. And he said, meaning this is not coming back. Your marketing team is talking about hand soaps, but what's going on when it comes to the candles? The candles is your big money maker. And basically, Life Inside the Page Daily Finds, she jumped in there to defend them, just letting them know, Mother's Day is coming up. I mean, are y'all bringing this candle out for Mother's Day? What's goody? Like, can we get an answer? And Bath and Body Works, whoever handles their Instagram and stuff, they give the most generic answers. Duly noted. Did they even spell that right? This fragrance needed ASAP. Please check back often. So basically, when it comes to pink petal tea cake, we are where we were before. We know absolutely nothing, and Bath and Body Works is not spilling the tea. They're just not. I also want to take a moment to appreciate Clean Slate. Look at Clean Slate. It looks absolutely beautiful. The ocean, the marble, just them, the whole way they did this packaging of the men's line. It really makes you want to get the men's line. Like, this looks very professional. Well, as far as professional, I mean like high end. It looks very high end and luxurious for a man. If I was a man, I'd be like, ooh, I need to smell like this. I would smell really clean. So I wanted to take a moment to appreciate that. And I had to say this. You know what, Beyonce? Beyonce. I'ma shut up because you Beyonce. But she coming out with a whole nother line with Ivy Park. The Icy collection. Yeah, that's coming soon. She know how to try to get somebody stimmy. She trying to get somebody stimmy check, and she trying to get your tax refund. Don't let her do it, y'all. Don't let her do it. But if you see me rocking it, just mind your business. All right. Last night, my affordable perfume collection video came out. So if you guys missed that, definitely go check it out. It gives you some great ideas of some affordable perfumes. I wanted to drop that video before I drop my blind buy video to let you know there's different options out there. And my girl Hannah, my subscriber Hannah, shared this with me, and I'm gonna leave it on this note. Okay, Bath and Body Works never keeps any good scents around, but will hold on to Japanese cherry blossom and sweet pea for dear life. And that's on what? Mary Had a Little Lamb. I'm gone. DJ, play my music.